Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how can the user upload the files to your websites. So let's start. At first, let's create a folder here in the source file, new folder, and let's call this folder, for example, files. And let's suppose that we are going to allow the user to upload some files to this folder. So right click on the source file, new, and let's create a new PHP web page. And let's call this web page as upload. Okay, now it is ready. So the first step now to create a form. So form action equal, let's call the file as upload underscore files dot php, and method equal post. And to allow the user to upload file, you should add this one, ink type multipart slash form data. Okay, so when you add this attribute to your form, the user will allow to divide the big data to some parts, something like files, audio file, video file, images, and so on, and upload them to your server. Now, what is the input type used to select file? In this case, we have input type file. So this input type is used to select a file so you can upload them to the server. Now give them a name. Let's call it F, for example, stand for file. And of course, you need another input type of type submit. And let's call this submit as S with value, for example, as upload. Now your form is ready. Now let's create the file which is going to implement the code of upload. So I'm going to copy this one and create another file. Right click, new, PHP web page, and let's call it upload files. Okay, now let's start from receiving the file. So if you need to receive the file, you can use something like, for example, my underscore file equal, okay, files, which is the name of the folder here. This is the files. Then concatenate this one with dot and add here system array called files to receive this one, which is F, the input type file. F, and here select something like name. This line means create a variable called myfile, store the name of the folder, then slash the name of the input type, which would send the file, and return the name of this file to this variable. Let's start at first with try to print this variable. Echo my file. What's the result will be if I need to print the result of this variable? Let's run this form, right click, run file here. And as usual, let's add my port number. Okay, I'm going to click on choose file. Let's add any file, no problem. Now go to desktop, AI. Okay, let's add this photo, for example. When I click on upload, as you can see here, files slash the name of the file you have selected. Now, how can I upload this file instead of just printing the file? So in this case, you have a function called move uploaded file. Move uploaded file. So from where you are going to move this file, you can select something like files which means the source of the files, okay, f tmp name, which stands for temporary name, to where what is the destination? The destination is my file. My file. Now again, save. Let's return to our page. Let's refresh this page. Let's select any file. Again, this one, and click upload. Let's check our folder. Yes, as you can see here, the file has been uploaded to your website inside the files folder. So in this video, we have talked about how can we upload a file using the function move uploaded file. See you in the next video.